Hello, you're looking for an opportunity or a website that you can make money off of. And this is definitely a good website. All you really have to do is drive traffic to the website. It has free hosting. And for $3, they set everything up for you, the whole system, and it pays you out directly to PayPal, 100%. And that's a great thing because paying out to PayPal 100%, $3, it adds up over time. Here's an example that they give you, and the best thing about it is only thing you have to pay for is the $3 fee, which is basically them setting up the website for you. It's pretty much you get the same website everyone else gets, and you just basically drive traffic to it. And like I say, the cost is cheaper than if you were to go and try to do it yourself with GoDaddy or something like that, because they already have everything in place. And I mean, there's other stuff involved that you can do with this site, but the main thing is the $3 Turbo is it's simple, and it's just it's a good way to get started making some extra money online. Um, you know, for you can, like I say, if you see, if you're doing 30, it's like $90 a day, and like I say, people are averaging about 30. I mean, not 30, but $3,000 per month. I've seen on an average day about $300. Um, yeah, it just depends on your efforts. Just drive traffic and go from there. And if you're interested in learning more internet marketing secrets, then check out the links down below and like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And there'll definitely be more content in the future.